Hello students, so now we are going to start with the problem number 1, which is based on the curve Strophoid, or it is also called as loop. So here in this problem I've taken one equation of the loop, and for which we are going to find out the length of that curve by using the concept of rectification. So here we have to find out the length of the loop. 9y square is equal to x plus 7 into x plus 4 the whole square. So guys, before starting this solution, I am sure that you have seen my previous video, because in my previous video I've shown you how to draw the loop if the different equations are given. And let's say if you have not seen my previous video, I would request you to go back and watch the video. And for this curve, here I'll draw that curve again by using the same concept which I've used in the previous video. So let's start. So to draw that curve, first of all, I'll draw the x and y axis. So guys, now if you observe this curve, it is a loop, and to draw the loop we know that that loop intersects x-axis at 2 points. So to know those 2 points, we have to substitute y as 0, because on x-axis the value of y is 0. So if I put y as 0, we'll get value of x as -7 and -4. So it means, let's say this is the point -7, 0, and let's say this is the point -4, 0. So I'm just taking rough points. Now guys, these are the 2 points through which loop will pass. Now the question is where that knot will come, because we all know that loop looks like this, so we should know where that knot will come. So I have told you in the previous video that if we want to know the point of knot, then we should consider the square term. So here there are 2 square terms, which is y square and x plus 4 the whole square. Now just take the values which are there with x and y. So with x we have 4, just take the opposite sign, which is -4, and with y we have nothing, that is 0, so it is 0. So that means at -4, 0 we'll get that knot. So guys, here we'll get that knot. So it means our loop will look like this. I'll draw it for you. So guys, this is what the loop is. Now for this loop we have to find out the length of curve, or length of this complete loop. Now how to get it? So guys, it's simple. What I'll do is I'll find out length of this half loop, and then I'll multiply it by 2. It's that simple. So let's start. So guys, to find out the length of this half loop, if I travel from here to here, my x coordinates are changing from -7 to -4. So let's write down the equation to find out the length of curve. So it is given by integration from x1 to x2 under root 1 plus dy by dx the whole square into dx. So guys, in our case my x1 is -7, x2 is -4. Now let's find out the value of this dy by dx, and for that we have to differentiate this given equation with respect to x. So by differentiating with respect to x, here we will get 18y into dy by dx equal to, and here we'll apply the UV rule. So it will be x plus 7 as it is. The derivative of this term is 2 times x plus 4 plus x plus 4 the whole square as it is, and the derivative of x plus 7 is 1. Now I'll take this 18y on the right hand side. So we will get dy by dx equal to, so guys, before doing that, what I'll do is from numerator I will take x plus 4 common. So we'll get dy by dx equal to x plus 4 common. In bracket from here we'll get 2x plus 14. So here I'll write 2x plus 14, and from here we will get x plus 4 upon 18y. So this is equal to x plus 4. This will become 3x, and this is 18. So 3x plus 18 upon 18y. Now I can take 3 common, which will cancel with this 18, so we'll get x plus 4, and here we will get x plus 6 upon 3 6 are 18, so 6y. So guys, here we got this value of dy by dx. Now we'll square it. So for that I'll say 1 plus dy by dx the whole square equal to. So it is 1 plus square of this is x plus 4 the whole square into x plus 6 the whole square upon 36y square. Now we don't know the value of y square here, but it is given in the question. So we have value of 9y square, which is given as x plus 7 into x plus 4 the whole square. So what I'll do is I'll write this 36 as 4 into 9, so that it will become 4 into 9y square, and I can put the value of 9y square over here. So guys, now here we'll get 1 plus x plus 4 the whole square x plus 6 the whole square upon 4 into 9y square. Now the value of 9y square is x plus 7 into x plus 4 the whole square. Now guys, here we can cancel this x plus 4 the whole square term, and then we'll do the cross multiplication. So this is 4x plus 28, we'll multiply with 1, so 4x plus 28 plus, we'll expand this, which is x square plus 12x plus 36, and in the denominator we have 4 into x plus 7. Now guys, we'll take all these terms together, so we will get x square plus, this is 16x plus, and this one is 28 plus 36, which is 50 64 upon 4 into x plus 7. Now guys, if you observe the numerator, it is nothing but x plus 8 the whole square formula upon 4 into x plus 7. So guys, this is the value of 1 plus dy by dx the whole square. Now we'll find out root of that, and we'll put it here in s, or the formula of s. So let's start. So for that I'll say the length of curve s is integration from -7 to -4, and guys, I'm making it 2 times because from -7 to -4 I'll get this upper curve, and if I want the length of complete loop, then I have to multiply it by 2. That is why I'm multiplying by 2. Next, we have to find out square root of this term. So root of this term is x plus 8 upon 2 into under root x plus 7 into dx. Now guys, to solve this integration, I will use the integration by substitution method. So for that, we'll substitute x plus 7 as t. So here I'll say put x plus 7 as t, or we can put x plus 7 as t square also, so that this square root will be eliminated. So if x plus 7 is 7 t square, then we'll get dx as 2t dt. Let's observe the limits. So for x is -7 to -4. So when x is -7, we'll get -7 plus 7, which is 0. When x is -4, we'll get 3. So root of 3, that is square root of 3. So guys, these are the limits for t. So we'll get answer of s as integration from 0 to under root 3. Next, we have x plus 7 over here, x plus 8 over here. Out of that, x plus 7 is t. So this will become t plus 1. So here I'll say it is t square plus 1, because guys, we are saying x plus 7 as t square. So here we'll get x plus 7 as t square and 1 as it is. So t square plus 1 upon 2 into under root t square into dx. The value of dx is 2t dt. So guys, here we will get integration from 0 to root 3, and one more thing is outside the integration we have 2, so I'll copy that 2 as it is. So here we'll get 2. Next, the root of t square is t, so that will be 2t and 2t, we can cancel it directly. So guys, we'll get just t square plus 1 into dt. Now let's find out the integration of this. So integration of t square is t cube by 3 plus t, that is integration of 1 from 0 to under root 3 to outside. So here we'll get 2 as it is, root 3 cube. Now that will be root 3 into root 3 into root 3, which is 3 root 3. So 3 root 3 upon 3 plus root 3. When I'll put 0, we'll get 0. So 3 and 3 cancel, we'll get root 3 plus root 3, which is 2 root 3, and final answer will be 4 root 3. So guys, here we got the solution for the total length of the loop. So the final answer is 4 root 3. So I'm sure you understood the method and how I got the total length of the loop. So guys, keep watching the channel, because in the next video I'm gonna cover one more numerical which is based on the strophoid or loops. And do share this channel with your friends, because they can also get benefited through the videos which are given by Ekeeda. Thank you very much.